Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a familiar video. I actually made a 12 Pro Max unboxing already in the graphite colorway. Now, before I bought that phone, the reason I chose graphite was because I was like, oh, you know, I feel like if I get Pacific Blue in a couple of months, I'm going to wish I got graphite. But it was actually reversed. I ended up buying graphite, and then a few weeks later, I was like, I want that blue. Like, I should have bought the blue the whole time. So I just got back from the Apple store and picked it up. Let's go ahead and unbox it for the second time. So here is the box. Now, I'm a big fan of how this looks. I think blue and black just looks really good. But anyways, it's got iPhone written on the sides in a bit of a like tinted blue. There's the back, there's the bottom, there's the top. This is the most satisfying part of opening any Apple product. Oh my gosh, so excited for the second time around. I just love the blue on black. It just looks so nice. Okay, here we go. Big reveal. Oh baby, that looks beautiful. I knew I should have went with this color the first time. That is gorgeous. You can see it attracts fingerprints a little bit, but they kind of go away. But the case that I have is fully clear, so I won't really have to worry about the fingerprints in the future. But let's go ahead and take the phone out here. Put that down for a second. But the part that really got me with the blue is the stainless steel blue sides. I just think that looks amazing. Shiny stainless blue. It's just gorgeous. But that is a nice color. It's got to be a really good colorway if it's going to steer me away from space gray. That's always been my favorite Apple color ever, the graphite / space gray. So this was really something special to get me to convert to the dark side. Take off the little screen protector sticker here. 6.7-inch display. I think it looks really good. Speakers at the bottom with the lightning port. Got your power button on the right side. Volume controls, and then your SIM tray is right here. 3-camera system with the LiDAR scanner, and then your flash just above. And I think the Apple logo just looks really good. The way you can kind of tilt it around and it's visible, then it's not. With the matte finish on the back, I think it just makes the Apple logo and the whole back side of the phone just look really good. Now let's see what's in the box and what's also not in the box. So you get your USB-C to lightning cord. Doesn't come with the charging adapter, which I'm sure everyone knows by now since the phone's been out for almost a month. And then inside we've got designed by Apple in California. You got your SIM ejector, some instructions, and then last but not least, the classic Apple sticker. I still don't know what to do with these. Leave a comment down below what you guys do with your own, but I probably have like 30 of these just sitting around. I have no idea what to do with them. I might just like collect them all one day and just stick them on something, but another Apple sticker to do nothing with. So guys, that is it for the unboxing. Let's go ahead and set it up. Just going to hold on to the Apple logo right here, and then we should see an Apple logo pop up. There we go. Hello. Swipe up, pick English. I am from Canada. I'm up in the white north. Then you just connect to Wi-Fi. Now mine is Stark Industries. Data and privacy, continue. Face ID, I'll set that up. Continue. Create a passcode. And I do have an iCloud backup as well, so I'm just going to sign into my Apple ID. Now that that part is done, I'm just going to hit agree to terms and conditions without reading a single thing as per usual. Take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. And the backup that I'm going to choose is the 12 Pro Max one at the top, the one that I had in graphite. Share audio recordings, and I'll also share my analytics as well. And then I just got a quick software update as well. Alright guys, so that is it for the unboxing and quick setup of the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max. Super happy that I switched to this color because it was always staring me in the face like you need to get this guy. Finally made the decision to go back and swap them, and I'm super happy that I picked this color. It's like the midnight green from the 11 launch last year. A lot of people really wanted that midnight green in the 11 Pro Max, and a lot of people really like the blue with the 12 Pro lineup this year, and I'm one of those people. I just thought I was gonna get sick of it quick, but I guess that wasn't the case. This is a really nice color. So guys, that is it for the video. If you guys liked it, make sure you like and subscribe. We just hit 2,000 subscribers just a couple of days ago. Super thankful for each and every one of you guys. The channel is growing at a really fast rate, and I'm super proud and happy that it's come to this point. I can't wait to see where it goes. And if you guys are already subscribed, thank you so much for being a part of the journey that we've been on so far. And if you haven't already subscribed, I definitely recommend to do so. There is a lot of content and great stuff coming. But for now, this is the end. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.